Hey everybody, we're in Pensacola Beach, Florida, and while we were going to go to the national park over there, they are closing it currently due to weather conditions. So we're at the park that's beside the road so we can at least see the beach from here. And it is windy. According to the weather, they're expecting up to 55 miles per hour winds. So apparently if we brought a hurricane with us, who knows. But anyway, we're gonna see what we can see and enjoy what we can enjoy, because we can always come back as long as our relatives live here. So are you ready? Yeah, let's go.
In 5.1 miles, keep right onto Pensacola Beach Boulevard towards Pensacola Beach.
You don't have no choice but to go across the water. Where are you going? this is a toll bridge here, but I did go online and get a sun pass, so we're gonna see if this works. If not, I'll get a bill in the mail. Say this too, if you're going to charge somebody only $1 to go through something, why are you going to spend some 60 something cent mailing them a bill in the mail? Aren't you losing money? I think so. So it'd be better not even charge a toll at all. We'll just go ahead and let everybody drive across the bridge, wasting more money in stamps. Personal opinion though.
At the next traffic lights, turn right.
Not that anybody cares.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto Fort Pickens Road.
Right. Here? Yep. That pretty water tower. See that cross up there the other day? That cross, I didn't even see that the other day.
You were sitting in the back seat.
Did you see it the other day?
I wasn't looking at the cross.
Oh, well.
I was praying that we could go. You can delete that.
Called Baywatch. Guess that's interesting name.
What's this?
I can't read it that far away. You got to go.
Or-
Area closed. Well, you can still go up there. That's how you get into that park up there. Oh, Mom, you got to stay in. So this is a Footprints in the Sand eco trail. Dune vegetation on barrier islands. As you move from the Gulf of Mexico inland and across the island, you will cross several distinct plant zones. And if you can see all that, you can read it. That says, welcome to Pensacola Beach.
I think they say.
The same? Yeah. Serious wind coming through. So that road over there is the national park that we cannot get to today. So I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but it's okay. It's not like we can't come back. Maybe not on this trip, but maybe on a future trip, and then there'll probably be thousands of tourists out there. But it's a beautiful place. Even though it's windy, it is cold today. But the Gulf of Mexico is very, very beautiful. I do have to say that. Crazy how tall these buildings are. So if nothing else comes from this video, you can at least see the nice hotels and houses in Pensacola Beach. Something better than nothing though. That back there was a school. The smallest school I've ever seen in my life, other than the Amish schools.
That's a church on that side too.
they even park at?
I don't know. Must be called parking garages right on the bottom. You see that?
Yeah. It's still a lot. I like that brick in the road, even though I don't like how it sounds on my car. It's pretty. This is pretty out here too, all these sand dunes on both sides of the road.
They don't have a sweater.
You had your coat on.
I have a sweater on that time.
Well.
It sounds like
I don't know, I can't read that. Parking, designated parking spaces. Welcome to Gulf Islands National Seashore. I don't know if this one's closed or not. This is like another world here. So this coming up is one of the coolest houses I've ever seen in my life. It is like a UFO ship.
They got a little alien in the doorway.
Oh, did it? I didn't even see the alien.
On the ground.
That was so cute. So they have this beautiful big shell here. That is quite a thing to take a picture in.
Okay. You can walk back down because I didn't get them going up. I need to find one that big. Huh? Yeah.
So you said you need to find a shell that big? That would be most impressive. You'd put it in the front yard, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I'll put on the traverse and go home.
Yeah. Like me and wanting that alligator over there. So according to that shell, this is Quiet Water Beach, and it's behind all these stores right here. And obviously the big shell.
Okay.
Oh, Pensacola Beach water tower. It's shaped like a beach and all. And I was wondering how we were going to actually get a good picture of it, so there it goes. So this is the graffiti bridge here in Pensacola. I think from what I was told, they paint over this thing like they paint over the Folly Beach boat in Folly Beach, South Carolina. Always changing it to some other design. This one was here the other day whenever we came through, and they've already started painting over it now. They've also spray painted the pavement as well. Got locks over there on that. I would just go straight on up. Huh? I said I would just go straight on up.
You got it back there?
No, I don't know where. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and close out the video for the Pensacola Gulf Breeze and Pensacola Beach video that we did. It did not turn out the way we wanted it to, but whenever we got to the Gulf Islands National Seashore for the Fort Pickens side, it was closed due to the weather. So therefore, I just had to piece together the best I could on the video. So I hope you enjoyed what you watched, and we'll see you in another one. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh yeah, and thanks for watching.
Oh, subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe if you don't mind. It makes her happy, doesn't it?
Yes.
She loves to see those numbers, even though they've not been going anywhere the last few days. But anyway, it is what it is.
Whatever.
Bye again.
Bye.